2022 Nissan Altima 2.5 SR forward brilliant silver metallic Nissan certified pre-owned details, 7 years/100,000 miles limited warranty, coverage for engine, transmission, transfer case, and drivetrain 167-point inspection to qualify vehicle history report fix or repair items that don't pass or meet CPO standards Special APR Financing for well-qualified buyers lube/oil/filter change tires and brakes 50% or more full exterior/interior appearance reconditioning courtesy transportation 24-hour roadside assistance SiriusXM trial Subscription.brbrService Performed by John Sinclair Nissan. New oil filter and 5,000-mile synthetic oil change, winter service special, fuel injector treatment, fuel system dryer and coolant system additive, replaced air filter, replaced in-cabin microfilter helps with allergies, new wiper blades, balance and rotate tires, CVT Transmission Service, BG CVT Fluid, cleaner and conditioner, 4-wheel computerized alignment CVT with Xtronic, auto high beam headlights, blind spot warning. NissanConnect featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, power driver seat, rear parking sensors, wheels, 19 Machined Alloy.2737 city/highway MPG.